Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue with the chapter that we had been doing before, and the chapter is called Note Making. Now, in the previous video, I have already shown you how to do this note making. As I discussed last time, that I will definitely show you the other portions like how to do the indenting and numbering. Here I'm going to discuss regarding that, and we are also going to solve a problem, that is will solve a problem on note making. We'll learn how to note making directly reading from a passage. So let's continue with the video. Please watch till the end of it. First, I'll tell you what, as I had discussed earlier regarding the numbering and indenting. In my last video, I have told you that indenting and numbering is the most crucial part of note making, and it takes a lot of effort to learn it properly because it is needed to fetch marks. Until and unless you correctly know how to do this indenting and numbering, you will lose marks in note making. First of all, you do one thing: you draw a box. Like in case of advertisement, I have told you you needed to draw a box. Here also you need to draw a box. If you remember from the last video of mine, I've told you that the title should always come in the middle. So here will be the title should be in block letter, and it should be mandatorily underlined. Then after titled, what did I say? I said that there should be the heading. Now this is the heading. See the heading over here, I have not written it in capital letter. You can use full capital or not. Try to mix the fonts. It will be easier for you to understand, and it will be easier for the examiner to evaluate your copy. Then under the heading comes, please see properly the way I am indenting, and you should also copy it down in your notebook how I am indenting the entire thing. Write one here. Just in between this entire word, if this need not to be underlined, between this, just in the middle portion under the D, write one. Then put a dot and write the subheading. If you wish, please copy this entire format in your notebook. This is important. This you should keep handy because it will help you in proper and efficient drafting of note making. Okay, so first was what? The subheading. As I already told you before, underneath this heading comes the subheading. Underneath subheadings comes what? Come the point. So how we are going to indent and number the point? I told you already before that just symmetrical to S in the subheading over here, write 1 because it is subheading under subheading 1.1, and then write point. Then similarly, if there are another point you wish to add, then write 1 means the subheading 1, point 2 means point number 2, like this. Clear? If underneath point 2 you find there are certain sub points. What are sub points? Underneath one point you will see this point is again categorized into something else. How do you write it? Please see, as it is subheading 1, just underneath the P of the point write 1. Why 1? This 1 identifies the subheading number 1. Point 2, just because it is under point 1.2, you write under 1.2, then 1. So what does it signifies? Under subheading 1, in point number 2, then subpoint. You write over here subpoint. If you feel you need to add one more subpoint, then you continue like this. Again 1 for the subheading 1, then 2 for the point 2, then 2 for the subpoint 2. Clear? Next, you add another subheading. Just underneath this, just follow this symmetry and write here 2. 2 is what? 2 is subheading number 2. Clear? Okay. Now, if we write points under subheading 2, how we are supposed to write it? We are supposed to write it like 1. Now, instead of 1, why we had written 1? Because the subheading was 1. Here the subheading is 2. We will write subheading 2.1. Then we will write the point. Okay. For example, we are adding one more point. In between, if you need to add subpoints, you can do it, so there are no problem, but you just have to follow the same pattern of numbering. If it is if underneath this point 2.2, that is subheading 2.2, you need to add subpoint, just follow like 2.2.2 subpoint, 2.2.1 subpoint, 2.2.2 subpoint. Okay. For example, I am again doing another subheading. This is subheading number 3. Here you put the subheading. See, this is not very tough. What you need to remember is you just need to remember the indenting. Indenting is what? The distance between the margin. The distance between the margin from one to another. And the indenting is like that you are maintaining the symmetry here. You just need to understand it. You just need to maintain the symmetry. That's it. Nothing else. There is no more thing to understand. It's not a rocket science at all. So I hope this indenting thing is clear. And in the case of numbering, I have already told you what you do. If it is subheading 1, then you first start with subheading 1.1, subheading 1.2. That's it. That's how it is done. If it is subheading 2, see, it is subheading 2.1, subheading 2.2. If under subheading 3 I need to add 1 point, then what I will write? Subheading 3.1 point. Clear? This is all about this numbering and indenting. I hope it is clear for you. So guys, and I had already promised you that we are going to do one example of note making. Here I have a passage already from your reference book. We'll just study over here and we'll underline. I have already got one pencil and we are going to underline the important portion first as we continue reading it. We'll read each and every sentences, each and every words, and then we will start the note making. So let's start. Everyone knows that smoking and chewing tobacco is bad for health. So from here we can understand the thing is about tobacco. See, I am underlining it, tobacco. And what is it? Tobacco is bad for health. Yet 250 million people in India, almost 1/4 of country's population, consume some form of tobacco. People think that they can give up tobacco use whenever they want, but it's not that easy. Nicotine is an addictive drug. Nicotine is an addictive drug. Nicotine is the content of cigarettes. It is actually what tobacco is made up of. It is kind of an addictive drug. Former Health Minister Dr. Ambubani Ramadoss told the Hindustan Times, The World Health Organization links smoking to 25 cancers. Then smoking leads to 25 forms of cancers like head and neck, urinary bladder, kidneys, cervix, pancreas and colons, to name just a few. Smoking is also a major risk factor for several other diseases such as chronic bronchitis, heart disease, stroke, impotence and premature death. So there are lots of diseases like chronic bronchitis, heart disease, stroke, impotence and premature death. Most people link smoking to cancer, but it is the biggest cause of heart disease. So what is the biggest cause of heart disease? What is the biggest consequence of smoking cancer? It is heart disease. We'll underline this. Smoking increases the risk of clot formation in the blood. So how does heart disease comes consequently after smoking? It is a risk of clot formation in the blood, which can block arteries and cause heart attack even in healthy people, says Dr. R.R. Kashiwal, Director Cardiology, Escorts Heart Institute and Research Center. Lifestyle changes don't help much if a person continues smoking, he adds. Smoking causes about 30% of all cancer deaths, including 90% of lung cancer death. According to the Indian Council of Medical Research, 1 million people die from tobacco use in India every day. So 1 million people die from tobacco use in every year. Reducing tobacco is naturally a big priority for the health minister. Despite the cigarettes and other tobacco products packaging and labeling rules banning smoking in public places and sale to minors in India, the number of smokers is going up each year. About 10 million children under the age of 15 are addicted to tobacco in India. So, 10 million people under the age of 15 are addicted to tobacco in India, says Ramados. The WHO estimates that of every 1,000 tobacco users today, 500 will die of a tobacco-related disease, 250 of them in their middle age. The current tobacco consumption trend in India indicates a shoot up from 1.4% of deaths in 1990 to 13.3% in 2020. Sorry guys, I hope due to this false camera angle, this wrong camera angle, you could not view the first paragraph. Here the first paragraph is, you can have a look. A proposal to carry graphic and direct health warnings such as tobacco kills on all tobacco passages has been postponed indefinitely because of pressure from the food industry, which claims farmers and poor workers will lose jobs. But thousands of lives will be saved if the new warnings carried on tobacco drive home the health hazards of tobacco use more effectively. The statutory warning currently carried on tobacco product is in English, a language that a majority of the people cannot read or understand, says Ramados. Will start a campaign to make workplaces smoke-free this year to protect non-smokers from second-hand smoking. Okay, so we are supposed to do this on the basis of your reading of the above passage. Make notes on it using headings and subheadings. Yours recognizable abbreviations minimum 4 and give an appropriate title. So this is our task. I will show you how to do it. Let's quickly move into. First we'll do what? We will draw one big square. This square is for what? For making the note making. If you want, I can make it a bit bigger. Guys, I hope you can view the entire portion of the square. I'll just fix the angle as I get down. So first we'll do what? First we will start with the title. I think the title of this entire passage will be appropriate if I write this. my title is what? Tobacco kills. Okay, see, I've written it in block letter and I have accordingly underlined it. Now we will move on to what? We will move on to our headings. First, if you remember, I have underlined that what are the harms that are caused by tobacco. So we are going to use it right here. We'll add this number 1 and do what? Tobacco. Tobacco harms. Okay, this is our heading. If you want, you can write the harms with H capital. If you do not wish to, no need to do. Okay, then we will do what? The points. What is our first point? We have already discussed before. The first point is chewing tobacco and smoking are harmful. Chewing tobacco and smoking are harmful. Okay, see, I've used over here three abbreviation. One is and. Smoking, I've not written the entire smoking as MOK apostrophe NG. Harmful, HRMF apostrophe L. So I've used abbreviation. Okay, now our next point, 1.2, that is under heading 1, subheading 1. I am using point number 2. What is my point number 2? Tobacco is addictive. Okay, now point number 3 is tobacco kills 5 million per year. Okay, next we'll come to subheading number 2. Just underneath this one, I am going to write 2. Now what will be my 2? We will write about what are the diseases caused by tobacco. You will follow the paragraph in a sequence. In a sequence, as you get the points and the subheadings and headings, you just go on writing. Don't break the sequence. Here I am also following the sequence. I am writing what? The diseases caused by tobacco. So what was the first disease caused by tobacco? If you remember, we have already underlined 25 kinds of cancer. Okay, then under again point number 2, under heading number 2, heading number 2 is heart disease. Remember, we read the most affected thing in most affected body or organ of our body due to the consumption of cigarettes and tobacco is what? Our heart, and it's usually affects our heart and causes heart disease. Now, we were told, if you remember, there regarding this clotting of arteries and all, we will find it out from the para and we'll write it over here. Here, under the heart disease, what I'm going to do, this is point 2, this is point 2.2. Under this point 2.2, I am going to write sub point 1. I'll just move the camera, you see. Underneath this point, I am doing what? I am writing the sub point. What is my sub point? See, smoking. Here I am using the SMKG, or if it will be effective if I stick to it, otherwise I have to put 2 keys. So I will write something like this: SMOKG causes clot formation. See, I am using abbreviation smoking and formation. These abbreviation I am using myself and I am creating myself. These are my self-created abbreviation. Underneath this, I will add one more sub point. If you remember, there was this thing written about clotting of arteries or blocking of arteries. I'll write like this: arteries blocked. Okay, clear? Now we will move on to heading number 3. We will write the heading number 3. What is our heading number 3? Regarding the tobacco addiction. Regarding the tobacco addiction. Okay, then will come another heading. What is the heading? This is composition of tobacco. Okay, underneath this, it is we will write that one point we will add: made of deadly chemicals. Okay, what are the deadly chemicals like this formaldehyde and etc.? We will just add in some points. That's it. I'm not writing it here because there is a reason that this video will elongate to something very big and it will be monotonous and the sense too. Okay, now I will show you. We have done. I'll again move the camera. If you see, we have done this indenting. We have put the title. We have put the box. We have done this indenting. We have done this numbering. This headings, this points, sub points. Everything is being added. Even we have added the abbreviations, the self-created abbreviations. Okay. Now what we will do? We will see how to make this key of abbreviation. For that, we will quickly move on to how to make the key of abbreviation. So guys, we have come back and we will I'll show you how to make this key. See, I have made a box again, and inside the box I have written something like this. On the top of it I have written keys to abbreviation, and then here within two lines over here I have written keys to abbreviation. Okay, first we will write in the left hand side, we will write what are the abbreviations that we had self created. On the right hand side we will write the actual full spelling of the abbreviations. So we have used the abbreviations. This is smoking. Just give a dash and write the entire word. Clear? Then we have used the word harmful. Here also write the entire word harmful. Okay, we had used the abbreviation formation. Write the entire word formation. We have used the word arteries, that is arteries. Use the entire word arteries. Like this, if you have few more, then you just keep on writing whatever it is. Clear? Just draw a box like this. Sorry, the alignment here, it's a bit no, the box is kind of a tere mere over here. Don't take this into consideration. Just you take a scale in your copy and draw a smooth box, a beautiful square, and inside this write, and this should be always after, this should always be written, this should always be created after the note making is completed. Then you go and write this key to the abbreviation. This key to the abbreviation is very important. This is going to complete this entire thing. So along with the headings, subheadings, points, titles, and the box and the proper indenting and numbering, this key to abbreviation is extremely important. Is extremely important, and you need to follow it. You need to make the entire thing, and this entire thing is of I think either 5 marks. This entire thing is of 5 marks. So this full note making along with the key to abbreviation is your entire note making process that you should follow while you are answering the question of note making. I think I am being able to make you understand this. This is something that will take a lot of practice. Then you will come to understand. Then you will be expert and efficient in drafting this note making. Otherwise, it will not be possible for you if you do not practice. In our doubt clearing session, I will definitely say you, I'll definitely discuss this thing with you in person, in front, face to face, and we'll also do an example of note making right over there. Okay guys, thank you.